This is how you create cinematic gradients inside After Effects. Got our composition here, gonna go up to the pen tool and just draw a cool abstract shape. Then in the effects and presets, gonna go to the 4-color gradient, apply that, choose colors that sort of go in a theme, so purples and blues. CC radial blur, change it to centered zoom, increase the amount to somewhere between 1 and 200, so about 182. And then I'm gonna duplicate the shape with Command D and then move the second shape off to the right and then press R for the rotation. And then I can also tweak the colors a bit. And then I can change the center of the zoom as well. And then right click new adjustment layer. Add a noise. Increase the amount to 20%. And then finally add a glow. The threshold, turn up the radius, turn up the intensity. And then I'm going to go back down to the effects drop down menu. And on the radial blur, I'm going to option click on the amount and type in a wiggle expression, wiggle bracket 2,24. Click away. I'm going to copy and paste that onto the other shape. Paste that there. So now they're both flickering. And then I'm going to make all the layers 3D. And then go new camera, keyframe, the point of interest and position. And use the camera tools up here to move around. I'm going to zoom in a bit. And then go to the end of the timeline. And then just move the camera. And voila, that's how you make cinematic gradients. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe for daily After Effects tutorials.